Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Guess what? We have IPSY Glam Bag Plus and IPSY Glam Bag Plus. We have their IPSY's new subscription box called Refreshments. So we are going to learn all about that and see what they included in this beautiful box. Look at this box. Isn't that so amazing? And I will tell you all about that in just a minute. But we are going to open this big, massive box. And as you saw from the title, this is PR. So this is going to be mixed, combined with Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus, the $12 and the $25 one. So let's get started because I am super excited. And the theme for this box, for this month, December 2020, is Home for the Holidays. Super exciting. It's where the heart and fun is. Rock those festive playlists. Don't a red lip. Indulge in what you love with who you love. It's what the holidays are all about. And it's hashtag IPSY Holiday. That's what the card looks like. And my card does not give me prices or item description, so we are just going to dig right in. And so first off is, this is going to be on the outside of the box. And this is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Absolutely love this mascara. This is absolutely amazing. This is probably one of my #1 mascaras. The other one that I absolutely love is the Marc Jacobs mascara. It's absolutely awesome. And here is the size that you will get. This is going to last you quite a while. It is a great sample size. 96% said lashes look stretched. It'll stretch your lashes. It'll make them look fuller. This is amazing, amazing mascara. So if you are lucky enough to get this in your IPSY Glam Bag, rock it, rock it, rock it, rock it. So this is what your Glam Bag is going to look like. It looks like sheepskin. Oh, it looks so pretty and it's so soft. And the handle is burgundy, my favorite color. And it's white and it says IPSY right here. A gold zipper. The lights are kind of making it. And it's burgundy on the inside with the pink IPSY emblem that matches your box. And first off, second, we have the Pore Professional Pore Primer. And this one, Soothing Face Primer to minimize the look of pores. Is this the one for... I think this is the one for oily skin, but I'm not sure. Target pores, targets fine lines, targets makeup meltdown, perfection established. This might be the one for oily skin, but it doesn't say. This is actually really good primer. Really good primer. And this tiny, teeny, tiny little amount right here will actually last you for quite a few applications. So that's really good. At least good enough to try it. Ooh, Perlice Prevent Blue Lotus 4-in-1 I Adore Serum. I have the full size and I use it constantly. I love this eye cream, eye serum. but it's amazing. It works and it's awesome. I love it. And it's white, but it goes on super smooth and no scent, really. Yeah, there's really no scent to it, but it's amazing. And this tiny little thing, this is going to last you quite a while. Now, oh, nope, not last but not least. And then you get a Murad Environmental Shield Vitamin C Cleanser. I've never tried this, so I can't tell you how it is. You can use it AM and PM, massage over a dampened face and neck, rinse and pat dry. Avoid your eyes. And I don't know, it has vitamin C in there, so I don't know. You might like it. And then last but not least, we have a Wonder Beauty eyeliner in black. Come on, Bobby, let's go. How in the world? They have it sealed. That's kind of neat. It's like a gel they have it sealed with. There we go. So it's a retractable pencil. And there you go. It is a gel. Love Wonder Beauty. So there you go. There is your Glam Bag Plus options. No, your Glam Bag options for December. So let's put that aside and let's look at the Glam Bag Plus. This is $25 a month. First item is Clean and Effective by Tula So Polished Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. Here is the box. I have a Tula face wash, but I don't think I've ever had this one. Safety seal, so I'm not going to open it. But that's what it looks like. 100% free from phosphates, parabens, mineral oils, sodium lauryl sulfate, formaldehyde released agents, and they're cruelty free. So that's awesome. There's that. QMS Medi Cosmetics Ace Vitamin Day and Night Cream. This is a new company for me. I have never heard of them before. Wow. Look at this beautiful bottle. Ace Vitamin. Wow, that's some thick. It's, come on, lights. It's yellow. But I'm kind of curious. Come on, English, where are you? It doesn't have English instructions on here. It doesn't. So I don't know if it's for... Okay, it's for dry to normal skin. I found them. Nourishing cream, power packed with revitalizing vitamins and botanical marine complex to moisturize, protect, and renew all day and night. Key concerns: maintaining moisturization and nourishment. Skin type, dry to normal. Smooth over face day and night, ideally after your day or night collagen serum and any other treatments. Avoid the eyes and skin with redness. Well, I'm oily skin and I have redness. So this is not going to be a product for me. So this is going to have to go into a giveaway. It's so beautiful. I really wish it was for oily skin. And then we have Verify 2020, a peptide eye cream. The box is so cute. No sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oils, no phosphates, no fragrance, and no silicones. Using your ring finger, gently pat a small amount of product around the eye area every morning and every night. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Wow. And it's a, oh, it's not a screw top. It's a pump. And it's a white cream. Way too much for your eyes. And they ain't lying. There is no scent whatsoever. Wow. And it's a thin cream. What is its claims? Helps to reveal a bright and even skin tone. It provides the skin with deep hydration and visibly reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The peptides, a combination of peptides, dramatically reduces the appearance of wrinkle length and volume. Vitamin B3 helps to brighten and nourish the under eye area. And then cucumber, a soothing and refreshing ingredient, helps to decrease the appearance of puffiness and hydrates the skin. Wow, this is a great product. Really excited to try that. And then we have a beautiful brush. This is so pretty. It's green. Let's see, who is this from? Bean Cachis? I don't know. But it's green. Look, green and gold. Look how beautiful that is. And it says it's a powder brush. That's really pretty. And then, the Nomad Tuskana eyeshadow palette. An Italian inspired palette. Velvety, soft, and blendable eyeshadows formulated with extra fine pigments infused with grapeseed oil to help keep colors vibrant and long-wearing. 9 warm shades inspired by Tuscany's storied towns and golden hillsides and living la bella vita. Tuscany, Italy. La vita e bella. No parabens, no phosphates, and no mineral oil. It's cruelty-free and vegan, and it says, please recycle. You guys, I am super excited to get this. One, I love Nomad Cosmetics. So, are you ready? Let's take a peek at this beautiful palette. Look at those beautiful shades. This just screams Italy. Oh, this screams the hillsides of Tuscany. Look how beautiful she is. And I don't know if you can see. Let me turn this right side up. Let me turn you down. There we go. These right here Those are the front of scooters. Can you see that? Isn't that the cutest? How adorable is this? Oh my goodness. I'm going to carefully attempt to swatch it without making it messy because I really want to take pictures of it. So let's go with this Vino Nobile. Oh. Wow, look at that brick red. And then we have Vincenzo. Get that. And then let's try to do this aperitivo. Let's get it clean. It's the shimmery pink and like a pinkish purple. It's right here. Beautiful. Oh, this palette is absolutely breathtaking. And then you have your Glam Bag Plus bag, and it is a red. On camera, it kind of looks orange, but it is a red, and it is super, super soft. It feels like a sweater. So there you go. And then, of course, for the IPSY Open Studios, they included a deck of cards and Happy Holidays from IPSY Open Studios, a 20-piece puzzle. Let's open it. Little tiny puzzle pieces. So cute. I'll have to put it together, glue it, and put it up on the wall. And I'm curious to see what the cards look like. Those are cute. Super cute. Okay, let's now get into the Refreshments box, shall we? Now, if you're not familiar with this, if you've never heard about it, if you are already subscribed to IPSY, you have first dibs at the Refreshments box. The Refreshments box will start at $11.99 a month, and you can personalize it or add items to it. You can see your IPSY account for more information. So, and I just absolutely love this box. Super, super, super adorable. That's what it looks like when you open the box. And up here on the lid of the box, it says, why settle for basic when you can have refreshments? And right here on top that fell out were holographic stickers. It's to show us how you get funky. Who doesn't love a little solo party? Share your proudest, quirkiest, glammest me time moments with hashtag refreshment party at MyRefreshments. And you get beautify your basics, refreshments, dare to demand extra. You get hot and cold, and it actually looks like the handles on faucets. And you get a flower, you get a shower, a tub, a drink, dare to demand extra. These are really cute. I mean, I'm 43. I have no use for is it just me, or could this be like a bathroom? Huh. Do you think IPSY really planned that out with their stickers? Come on now. Okay, let's talk about this bag. Look how beautiful this bag is. This is super beautiful. Silky bag, yellow flower embellishment, like a purpley pink. Now, let's dig in. And first product is a Velvety Body Cream Citrus Spritz. And I love these bottles. They're so pretty. Dive into rich, velvety moisture from a royal glow. Nourishes and restores quick absorbing, non-greasy hydration. Our sparkling, clean promise. Always vegan, free of parabens, phosphates, and sulfates. Anything else we need to know? Recyclable, made from 30% post-consumer recycled plastic, made in Canada, distributed in Santa Mateo, California. It's a very thick cream. Oh, that smells really good. It's like a lemony citrus, but more of a candy scent. Oh, and this bag does have, on the very bottom, it has a drink symbol, you know, for the brand Refreshments. Very clever. And then we have this one. Instead of being green like this one's pink. Luscious hand, what was this one? Oh, this was the body. Should have put it on my arm. And this one's the hand cream, Citrus Spirits. Spritz. I can't read. I'm going to put this one up here on my arm. Wow, that one's thick too, because I don't want to get the scents mixed up. And it smells exactly like the hand cream. And they're both pretty thick. And let's see, same thing, made in the same place, distributed in the same place, both recycled. Star ingredients, shea butter on both of them, grapeseed oil on both of them, and olive oil. Olive oil. Let me tell you about olive oil. Olive oil is really good for your skin. It is really good for your hair. If you are out of products, out of a hair mask, like in a pinch, use olive oil. Just a little bit. You're gonna have to wash with your shampoo twice. Just to let you know. And then we have cleansing face wipes, a 30 count. They are 7 inches by 8 inches. And star ingredients, argan oil, aloe vera juice, and sunflower seed oil. Rinse-free removal of makeup, dirt, and oil. Leaves skin feeling fresh and hydrated. And they look, the packaging is exactly like the bag. That's cute. I do not use face wipes anymore on my face, but I do use them here at the vanity, you know, to clean up my makeup off the back of my hand, and I use them on occasion if I can't get my eye makeup off. It took the eyeshadow off great. Is it going to take off the eyeliner? I'm scrubbing. It's starting to go. Almost there. It's finally gone. It took some scrubbing. Not gonna lie, my hand's a little sore. But they have no scent to them. So they're scent free. So don't worry about that. It's not going to irritate you. So there you go. What do you think? I'm pretty sure every month is going to be different. You're not going to get the same 3 products every month. But you know, they're, in my opinion, this is going to be my opinion only. These are products that you're not going to really think about buying. Like you run out to the store real quick. Hey, I need some body lotion. Hey, I need some hand lotion. Who remembers to buy hand lotion for your purse, right? And if you do use face wipes, when I did use face wipes, I was constantly buying face wipes because I was constantly running out. So, refreshments, you know, repurposing, replenishing your stock of things that you actually need. I'm really excited about this, so I can't wait to see what they have in store every month. So thank you guys for watching. What do you guys think? What are you guys most excited to get or hoping that you get? You guys, what did I do with it? I am in love with this Tuskana palette. Look how beautiful this is again. December 2020 for IPSY has knocked it out of the park. If you are not already subscribed to IPSY or signed up to IPSY, click that link down below in my description box and sign up. And if you are already signed up to IPSY, go check out your account and check out this new Refreshments. What do you guys think about it? The little things that we don't think about. That is what this Refreshments, I believe, is going to be about. You already get your makeup in one and skincare in one box. Why not replenish the, you know, or get some other stuff in another box? Just go find out what it's all about and let me know down below. Are you interested? Thank you guys for watching, and if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel and rate the video. It helps with the algorithm of YouTube. I appreciate you guys. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.